Hey everybody, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can build a AI workflow for a partner program or a referral program. Basically, we're going to be taking both of these concepts, a partner and referral program. We're going to be combining it into two and creating an AI automation around it. It's going to be game changing, helping you drive leads for your business in the home service space. So if you have an HVAC, plumbing, landscaping, roofing, solar company, anything really to do with the home service business, and you're interested in generating more leads through a referral or a partner program, stick around to the end. Hey everybody, if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Lamar and I'm a 7-figure serial entrepreneur helping you start and scale your business through AI marketing automation. Specifically, I am the owner and CEO of ReferralHero, and we've built over 6,000 different types of referral, partner, and affiliate programs for small businesses. So if you are interested, check out our website. But in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact step-by-step process, breaking down the workflow that you can implement into your business to drive more referral leads. If you do get value out of today's video, at a minimum, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on other workflows that I'm coming out with for your business. Without further ado, let's jump in. All right, so on my screen here, you can see the entire workflow, and I'm going to be taking us through step by step, so stay with me here. But over here on the left is where we're going to start, and this is really the entry point into the partner or the referral program. So let's zoom in here. Now, just to elaborate a little bit, when I say partner, I'm really thinking a partner program is more of a B2B relationship. Maybe you have another company that sends you leads. We're going to classify them as a partner, and they deserve to be a partner. They're sending you leads, and they probably want some sort of commission or kickback on that. Now, when I talk about a referral program, I mean these are your current customers. These are your customers that are talking about your business. They are sharing your business through word of mouth, and they deserve to be a part of a referral program. They also deserve to be compensated for the leads that they're generating you. So that's how we're going to define both of these programs. Initially, we're going to be talking about the referral program, and that's outlined right here in pink, right? So let's say that the customer becomes aware of your referral program. They can become aware of the referral program a number of different ways. The first one would be potentially through a project manager. After the job has been completed, the project manager tells them that you have a referral program. That could be a flyer, or they could just virtually say it. The customer could become aware about it on your marketing website. You advertise that you have a referral program. Down here, we can automatically enroll people into the referral program. So as they complete the job, or as the job is marked complete in your CRM system, they could be automatically enrolled in the referral program. And lastly, we can import or enroll all your previous customers into the referral program. And those are pretty much the four primary ways that we see current customers getting enrolled into the referral program. Now, what do I mean by, enrolling somebody into the referral program? When someone's enrolled into the referral program, they will receive a series of automations that kind of kickstart giving them access to the referral program, reminding them about the referral program, showing them the leads that they have referred or the status of those leads, the commissions that they've earned, how do they claim their rewards. All of that is done in what we consider automations. This is when most of that information is delivered to them via email or SMS message. And that's represented right here. So as you can see, when we auto enroll or we import those previous customers, they start to receive those automations that keep them informed about the referral program. Likewise, if the customer is introduced by the referral program by the project manager or through the marketing website, they are going to be led to a landing page that talks about the referral program. Most of the time, that's going to be on your marketing website. From there, they're going to gain access to a advocate dashboard. Now, the advocate dashboard is the home base of the referral program. You'll notice here that there's an arrow that connects the advocate dashboard to the emails and SMS automations. And that's because as people access the dashboard, they're also receiving email and SMS notifications about it. In just a minute, I'll show you what this advocate dashboard would look like for your business, but let's jump back to the start and talk about the partner program at this point. So the partner program is very similar. It actually is an integrated system into your customer referral program, because as a partner refers new leads to you or customers to you, those customers are then going to get enrolled into the actual customer referral program. But we'll talk about that later. But I just wanted to point out that both of these systems need to be tied together, because at the end of the day, they're driving leads and referrals for your business. And they have the same kind of goal for both programs. Now, your partner is probably going to become aware of the program in a little bit of a different way. Maybe you have a personal relationship with another business owner. Maybe you actually recruit partners to help promote your business. In whichever method that you have gained those partnerships, you want to handhold them a little bit more closely and introduce them to the partner program. That said, you're probably still going to create a landing page for the partner. The partner needs to be able to send you leads, and you need to establish here again a home base for the partner program. Now, it could be the same landing page, or it could be a different landing page if the partners are going to have different reward or commission structure. However, a tidbit here is that we're really starting to see these programs blended together, because at the end of the day, what does it matter if a customer or a partner is sending you a new lead or a new customer or a new referral? It's all the same referral. So why wouldn't you want to pay out or your best commission structure to anybody that kind of wants to send you a lead? Kind of makes sense, right? So we are starting to see these programs start to become more blended together. But in this example, I've broken it out. So it could have a separate home base for it. Similarly, though, there's going to be a widget here that the leads are actually being submitted through. And at this point, I will show you what that looks like. Now, this is one of the core functionalities that ReferralHero provides, is that we provide a widget, or what I've been referring to as the advocate dashboard, that allows people to either share their referral link or submit a lead to you. So here you can just see a simple example of that. Let's say that I was enrolled in the referral program. Now I can share your business or share my referral link to a friend or family member. Now, if I was a partner, I might add the quick add form onto this widget here so that I could directly submit or add a referral. So if I was a partner and I was using this widget, maybe I wouldn't be using my referral link, but instead I would be like, oh, I just spoke to so-and-so. I'm going to submit them as a referral directly on this widget. And then that lead would then be immediately sent to you. And it's a very easy way to keep track of what's going on. And I'll touch on that further in just a second here. But I also wanted to point out that on the dashboard here, everybody's going to be able to see, hey, these are the referrals that I've submitted, and these are the rewards that I've unlocked. So it provides transparency both to your customer who's in the referral program and to your partner who's in the partner program. Hey, what is the status on my lead that I've submitted to? Or, what is the status on the rewards and the amount of the rewards that I've unlocked? Okay. From here, now that you have a little bit more context around the advocate dashboard and what that home base is, now let's talk about the referral and how somebody might share your business and make sure that they're tracked, or that referral is tracked through the program. we're going to jump back down to the referral program because most of the time we're seeing people share through two primary methods. The first method is through word of mouth. Simply put, I tell my friend or family member about your business. That is considered a word of mouth referral, and that needs to be tracked. The second method is through the link, the referral link, and that's what we just took a look back at here. I can give my friend a link or my personal QR code, and they can visit the web page or the destination of wherever that link or QR code is directing them. And that's really what's depicted here. So let's say that I'm enrolled in the customer referral program and I talk about your business to a friend. My friend then calls your business. They call up your business and they say, hey, my friend so-and-so just referred me. That information needs to be captured. And that's what's depicted right here in conversion event 1, where a lead is generated through a phone call by an advocate. Secondly, I could share my referral link with a friend. My friend could click that link and they could go to one of our widgets where the lead is captured, or they could go directly to a website form on your website and potentially request a consultation, a quote. Doesn't really matter. It could be any form on your website, but the link is either directed to our widget or to a form on your site where that then information is collected. Likewise, if we're talking about the partner program, most of the time with the partner program, they could also use a link, but more likely they might just want to submit a lead directly. So maybe they have a relationship with a potential customer of yours, and let's just say, for example, that it's a plumber who is referring to a restoration company, right? A plumber here will be talking to the potential customer, and they might want to just submit the lead directly to the restoration company so that the restoration company can then reach out to the customer. That would be an example of it. And the plumber will then be able to submit the lead directly on the advocate dashboard, which is shown right here. So in this example, it's also completing what we deem as a conversion event 1, but the plumber there is just immediately submitting the lead to the partner business. Now, whichever way the lead is being submitted, we consider this conversion event 1. And you can see that all 4 of these different methods are tracking conversion event 1, which is basically when the lead is being submitted to your business. At the exact same time, an optional reward or discount could be unlocked to the referral, because we will know that this person is coming in from a advocate source, whether that be a partner or a previous customer, and they could immediately unlock a discount for the service, right? It's kind of like saying, thank you. You have participated in the referral program. There's a personal connection there. We want to thank you for that. So you get, $50 or 10% off or whatever that discount might be. And that's what's unlocked right down here. Next, moving along, is what we look at as far as multiple conversion events. So your business might be interested in tracking when somebody officially books an appointment with you. So not just when a form or a lead is submitted, but they actually book a meeting or a consultation, or so you send somebody else out to the house and you give them kind of a quote. That could all be a conversion event too. And lastly here, which is what we typically see, is when the project is completed. And it's not until conversion event 2 or 3 that the referral is deemed official or confirmed. Now, at any of these stages, you can unlock a reward. So in this example, the advocate is unlocking a $50 reward because they had driven a qualified lead to you, or an appointment booked lead to you. And then down here, when the conversion event 3 is completed with the project complete, you could unlock $100 or $200 back to the partner or the customer for generating you actually a new customer. Now, there's tons of different reward schemes that can be set up, and these can all be done with ReferralHero when we tie all of these systems in together. But just another level to this is actually a tier-based reward where you're giving $100 when the conversion value is between $1,000 and $5,000, and maybe a level 2 reward, or $200 when the project amount is between $5,000 and $10,000. Now, of course, these are just examples. You can really set this up with ReferralHero in a number of different ways, and this is really what we specialize in. That all being said, we have one more step to the workflow or automation here. And that is right here, which is a referral loop. You'll notice that the partner program, the referral program, all leads to a single arrow or workflow over here at the very end, which once the referral is deemed confirmed, they are then looped back into the customer referral program. And this is so critical. This is what's absolutely game changing for businesses, because there's so many benefits to a referral, not only in the ability to close them easier, their lifetime spend is much higher, but a referral is also much more likely to refer more referrals to your business. So we want to loop them back into the customer referral program and introduce them to the program themselves. And we consider this a referral loop. And there you guys have it. I know that was a ton of information. I hope though that gave you a good kind of overview of the power of a fully automated AI workflow or automation, when implemented correctly into your business, can really tie a partner and a referral program together. Now, this is, like I said, what we specialize in at ReferralHero. So if you are interested in having us build this for you, please check out my business. But at a minimum, I hope that this has given you a good outline or kind of a blueprint for how you can go out there and implement it yourself in your business. And I hope that the leads and the referrals just start raining in for you. Until next time, guys, get out there and crush it, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.